Welcome to the Intergalactic Herald. My name is Matt. This is our weekly Star Atlas news update, recap number 54. You can look at all the links for this recap at intergalacticherald.com and look for recap 54. First, we start out with a video posted by Metaverse Explorer. He goes over some of the images that are released in the Star Atlas Discord Foundation Room, some of the new work-in-progress images. Next item is from the Hologram News Network. Kriggs gives a quick little update and then interviews a group of people preparing to play future ship combat called the Vanguard Squadron. Next, Metaverse Nomads have their weekly live stream of Star Atlas and other crypto news. AFIA posted their latest Star Atlas newsletter, number 72, where they go over what happened in the week past. Metaverse Explorer published another video on YouTube, this one using a tool that was pushed out to help rank your Star Atlas ships. The Hologram, Kriggs posted an article about another Star Atlas community member who actually launched a 3D printed ships that you can buy on his website. The Hologram and Kriggs again posted another article on Medium about a in real life meeting of the different members of the Star Atlas community. So that's our recap of the week past for Star Atlas News. Again, you can go to intergalacticherald.com and look for Recap 54 for links to all of those articles and videos. Thank you.